So there are two entities that are getting rich right now, right before our eyes. And what people need to understand is we don't need to necessarily follow that path to get rich ourselves. Now, what I'm talking about is first and foremost, swing traders. Swing traders right now are loving this. When we're looking at ADA, when we're looking at the market in general, we're kind of trading in this range bound area. It's about 6% or so. You guys can see right here. We've basically been doing nothing other than what I've talked about is chop, right? This chop up and down. And that's what we've been fighting with. And this 6% range, they've been buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, and making some profit, right? And that's why it's important that I think people stay resilient with their positions, stick to their convictions, because right now, anybody that's buying or selling is kind of just feeding into this, right? And you may get caught on the wrong side of it. Now, it's not financial advice. People can always do what they want. But while those people are getting rich right now, the ones that are really getting rich, guys, are exchanges. Exchanges right now, remember, they benefit from volatility. They benefit from trading. And you can see that trade volume is super high right now. Right now, it's over $100 billion. You guys can see it. It basically has been since the 12th, right? The 12th, the last 4 days had been huge money-making days for exchanges. They're capitalizing on market panic, on market uncertainty, and it's because people are continuing to trade. And again, we're stuck range bound. We're just kind of bouncing around. Now, I will say there are some good things happening in the market that we do like to see right now in terms of BTC. We can see that there is some bullish divergence taking place on the 4-hour chart. So hopefully BTC ends up getting to the bottom of this where it can finally hit and bounce. But BTC is, again, still doing that same thing. It wouldn't surprise me if we have to come down and tap the bottom of this, kind of like a double tap confirmation here before we possibly turn around and start to go back up. Remember, guys, these things do happen. These drops do play out in the market. It's not an unknown thing, but know this, we will get through these times together. Now, how people can get rich outside of doing this, outside of being an exchange, outside of swing trading, is picking up positions when the market is down. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. People can do what they want. Me personally, I've been accumulating while the market's down, right? I look at this market again, and I know I've talked about this before. I look at it as huge discounts. They're big opportunities throughout the space. And I will say that, people will get left kicking themselves down the road because they did not pick up positions in these times. Could prices go lower? Sure, right? We still don't know, obviously, how things are going to progress abroad. We don't know what's going to happen, once we get to post-halving times. I mean, this, again, is looking like our pre-halving drop. This is looking very consistent with what we've seen in the past. And because of that, we obviously have huge discounts throughout the space. That's huge opportunity, guys. So people can approach this whatever way they want. The best thing people can probably do is sit on their hands and just wait and let things play out, because we may continue to pump, we may continue to drop. And that, again, may seem uncertain. Maybe people want some direction, but guys, these are uncertain times in the crypto market. They're uncertain times in the world. We just have to let things play out, and they will be what they will be. So I believe in crypto long-term. I believe in ADA long-term. I know some people have asked, guys, I haven't sold any of my ADA. I haven't sold any of my positions. I'm just patiently waiting for us to get into these better times, and they're approaching very quickly. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't help these exchanges and swing traders get rich. And yeah, that's it. So have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.